Hello everybody, how's it going? It's been a long time since I uploaded a video, and today I'm making arroz con pollo or chicken rice. It's a very famous Latin American recipe that you can easily make at home. For this recipe you're gonna need chicken thighs. You can use chicken breast, but I don't recommend it since it's kind of dry. I prefer to use the chicken thighs. I already have here around like 2.5 or 3 pounds, and I'm gonna add a little bit of salt for the moment, and we're gonna keep mixing. I like to use garlic powder as well, and you can always marinate this chicken whichever way you want. Okay, you can put a lot of ingredients of your choice. After you put garlic powder, just keep mixing everything here, and I'm gonna put a little bit of black pepper. Arroz con pollo is very famous in Puerto Rico, in Peru, and in many other countries. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of Worcestershire sauce or Lee and Perry sauce. You don't wanna put here soy sauce, okay? After you put each ingredient, just keep mixing everything. And at last, we're gonna add a little bit of cumin, and that's it. You can leave the chicken inside the refrigerator for like an hour if you want, or you can cook it right away. Okay, in a pan, we're gonna put a little bit of oil, and we're gonna fry the chicken. You know, you can make arroz con pollo. There are like thousands of ways of making it, but this is my own way of my own style of making chicken rice. So after you put all the chicken in here, just keep mixing everything, okay? Once you start cooking, you can see that the chicken start releasing water or stock. I'm gonna show you a trick here. What I like to do is put a strainer, and I'm gonna get rid of all the juice, but I'm not gonna throw it away. I just wanna leave it on the side because I want the chicken to have like a brown color. I don't want the chicken to be like white. Okay, leave that juice in there. We're gonna use it later. Put back all the chicken. Do not add any oil. We just keep mixing everything in here. You're gonna see how the chicken gets a nice color. Okay, now that you can see that we're gonna add a little bit of that juice. Little by little, you start adding because there are a lot of flavors in there. And it probably is gonna take you around like 8 or 10 minutes. But see how the chicken is brown? That's how I want it, okay? We already finished cooking all the chicken, and we're gonna put it on the side. I love this recipe because you know, you don't have to go to any Latin American restaurant. You can cook it at home and your family will enjoy it. Now in the same pan, don't wash it, okay? Just add a little bit of oil in there, and we have here some like hot dogs or sausage. These are like chicken, or it can be beef or whatever. You can buy this easily in some supermarket, and we're gonna add this to the arroz con pollo. That's a good choice. And you wanna fry it for around like 3 or 4 minutes, okay? Until they have like that beautiful color. Once you cook it, put it together with the chicken. And now what we're gonna do is add a little bit of oil. Do not panic, okay? I'm not using like a gallon of oil. It's just a little bit. And we're gonna put some vegetables in here. I already have some vegetable slice. We're gonna use some like bell pepper. I like to use like red, green, because that way you see a lot of beautiful colors in there. Now, since I'm here in Nicaragua, I'm gonna put some culantro. Culantro is almost like cilantro, okay? Put some cilantro in there. You can put some onions if you want. You can add whatever you like, you know, when it comes to vegetable. And the idea here is to like fry the vegetables. I like to buy these, you know, these are like mixed vegetables that have like carrots, they have like green peas, a little bit of corn, and some green beans. They are frozen. Just throw them in there, and you're gonna fry them, and everything's gonna be amazing. You know, this arroz con pollo has a lot of vegetables. It has a lot of flavor. Wow, it's so delicious. Okay, keep frying everything here. And now what you're gonna need is some rice. You have to make some rice before you after the vegetables are cooked. Now we're gonna put all the chickens and the sausage in there, or the hot dogs, and just keep mixing everything. This is gonna be a very famous recipe if you cook it for your family. And now you can cook some rice, like I said. Okay, have the rice ready. What I like to use is add some like turmeric or saffron. Okay, you can put some turmeric when you cook the rice. Have the rice cook like maybe an hour before you cook all the other ingredients. I'm gonna upload a video later on and show you how to cook like yellow rice, or you can use like white rice. It doesn't really matter. And then after that, just put all the rice in there and you combine. I like to cook this recipe this way because that way, when you serve, you can see that everything's not sticky. It's not like moist at all. It's just kind of dry, and that's the way I like to cook arroz con pollo or rice chicken or chicken rice, either way. Okay. So what do you think? Do you like it? I'm sorry I haven't uploaded video because I'm stuck here in Nicaragua. I cannot go back to the United States because of the COVID-19. You know what's going on, all right? So I hope to go back soon, but in the meantime, I'm having a great time here in my country. And I've been cooking a lot of recipes for my Spanish channel. Thank you very much for watching this. You can eat this with like a cold beer